Okay, once you get yourself calibrated and you're capturing motion in the mocopi app, the first step to getting to full body tracking in VRChat is to check the IP address of your Quest device. So you want to put your headset on, and once you're in the main menu, you want to go check your Wi-Fi settings and select Advanced Options. And then once you have the Advanced Options window open, you'll see the IP address. Remember that IP address. And then over in the mocopi app, what you want to do is open up the three-dot menu in the upper right and select Settings. And then under PC Connection Settings, you want to enter the IP address associated with your Quest device. And then you want to select the VRChat OSC transfer format and select OK. And then you click Stream, the button down at the bottom. Now we're streaming our motion data to our Quest device. We want to open up VRChat. Once it's loaded, you want to open up your settings and enable the OSC. And then you want to go over to tracking settings in VRChat and enter the user's real height. So enter your height there. And then once your height's entered, go back to the main menu of settings and you should see an option for Calibrate FBT, which stands for full body tracking. Select that. And then you want to make sure your character's in front of a mirror so you can see yourself. And when they're in front of a mirror, you want to get into a T-pose. And you want to line the controllers up with the hands of your avatar. And you want to line the dots you see down by the ankles up with the feet of your avatar. And once everything's in place, make the selection. And as simple as that, you're able to set up full body tracking in VRChat using mocopi. Please check out this link here for more information on how to make this possible for yourself and have fun capturing motion from anywhere.